So, abstract nouns. Our next topic will be abstract nouns. So, abstract nouns are things like your ideas, your concepts, your feelings, and your traits. Traits are your inbuilt qualities. So, abstract nouns are things like your ideas, your concepts, your feelings, and traits. An abstract noun is something that we cannot see or touch, but we can feel or experience it. That is, happiness, excitement, joy, fear are all things that can be felt and not seen or touched. So, abstract nouns are things like ideas, concepts, feelings, and traits. Now we have a small exercise and we are going to circle the abstract nouns in the sentences. So as I've already told, abstract nouns are nouns that cannot be seen or touched but can be felt. So let us underline or circle the abstract nouns in the following sentences. So abstract nouns, the first sentence, her sadness was so intense. So in the sentence we have a feeling called sadness. Her sadness was so intense. Sadness is something that can be felt by somebody. So I circle the word sadness. So I circle the word sadness. Her sadness was so intense. The next sentence is victory shall be ours. So victory again is something that can be felt. So victory is the abstract noun in the sentence. Victory shall be ours. The next sentence, he fears for the punishment that awaits him. So we have a kind of feeling called fear. So I circle the word fear. He fears for the punishment that awaits him. The next sentence, she is willing to sacrifice herself. So the abstract noun in the sentence is sacrifice. Sacrifice is offer something for somebody. The next sentence, they all said he was full of knowledge. So knowledge is something that we have. It is inbuilt and cannot be seen or touched. So the word knowledge is the abstract noun in the sentence. They all said he was full of knowledge. The next sentence, the man had a lot of pride in his work. Again, pride is within a person. So we call it the abstract noun. So the word pride is the abstract noun in the sentence. Next, can you believe that woman's brilliance? Again, the word brilliance is the abstract noun in the sentence. So, brilliance. Next, we have a lot of hope for the future. Hope again is our idea or the concept within us. So, the word hope is the abstract noun in the sentence. The next, my mother always shows great compassion for her children. So compassion is an inbuilt quality in mothers and it is the abstract noun in the sentence. So compassion for her children. To my delight, everyone arrived on time. Delight is being happy to see somebody come or something good happen. So delight is the abstract noun in the sentence. She was in great despair when she lost a phone. Again, the word despair is being sad about lost something. So despair is the abstract noun in the sentence. They showed extreme joy when they helped others. Again, joy is an experience that we feel within us and it can only be felt but cannot be seen or touched. So the word joy is the abstract noun in the sentence. So these are all the abstract nouns. So abstract nouns are things like your ideas, your concepts, your feelings and your traits, and can only be felt by a person but cannot be seen or touched. So a sadness was so intense. So sadness is the abstract noun in the sentence. Victory shall be ours. Victory is the abstract noun. He fears for the punishment that awaits him. Again, fears. She is willing to sacrifice herself. So sacrifice is the abstract noun in the sentence. They all said he was full of knowledge. So knowledge is the abstract noun. The man had a lot of pride in his work. So the word pride is the abstract noun. Can you believe that woman's brilliance? Again, the word brilliance is the abstract noun. We have a lot of hope for the future. So hope is a feeling that we experience. My mother always shows great compassion for her children. So the abstract noun here is compassion. To my delight, everyone arrived on time. So delight again is a feeling. She was in great despair when she lost her phone. So the word despair. They showed extreme joy when they helped others. So the word joy is a kind of feeling that we experience and is the abstract noun in these sentences.